Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys like an idea for your planters as well as your flowers so it's easier to kind of water and stuff like that. So we are going to place some flowers here. We're just going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we're going to, hopefully this is the middle of it. I mean, probably, sort of, maybe just a little bit to the right. Then we're going to color right using this. You can use any grass color you want. Maybe I'll do like a lighter one so you guys can see where everything is. And then I will put a fountain in the middle. If you don't have that, you can place like a pond or something else. I don't have the white fountain, unfortunately. It goes more like well with the theme, but it's okay because I have this one. So place that in the middle like so. And then we are going to then add some of the flowers. So I'm just going to do it by color, but obviously you're just going to do it by the flowers like you have. So we'll do 1, 2, 3. And then we'll do it a few times. I'm actually going to change the color a bit here. 1, 2, 3. And then again, 1, 2, 3. Oops. And then, do I have, okay. 1, 2, 3. We're going to do 5 rows of each flowers. But you can do less, you can do more. It's up to you guys. And then 1, 2, 3. I thought I had purple roses, but apparently I didn't plant them yet, so we're going to do this instead. And then I'm just going to do it on all sides first, and I'll be right back. Sorry guys, I don't know why I said 6. I meant like 5 rows, so 5 per row, looking something like this. And now we are going to extend this further here, like I think just there. And then, whoops, and then have it here as well. And then here, we're going to like leave the 2 empty. And then here, and here, and last but not least, it should look something like this. And this is where we are going to place our planters. Should it be like in decors? I actually don't know where they put it. I thought it would be in yard decor, but maybe it's in, oh, it's here. There we go. Sorry about that. Then we're going to place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, whoops, 9 here. And then same on this one, but on the one on top, it's going to be a little bit different. So we're going to place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then we're going to place 2 over here for each like area like this. And I'll be right back once I've placed everything in. Oh, and actually we are going to surround the floors like this. So I counted it incorrectly. I'm sorry guys, but it's supposed to look like this. So I'm just going to do that. And then once you're done with this, you are going to add some fences. We are going to use the hedge here, and we're going to place that there. And I'm going to put it like here, I guess. And maybe rotate this one. 1, 2, 3. Should I do it like over? fence. Okay, I'm just going to do it to all of the 4 parts here, and I'll be right back. Alright, so I did it like this instead, and then I'm just going to do the final touches, which is to add some fences. I don't know which one I want to add. I'll just add this one, and then I'm just going to add it surrounding the planters over here, like so, and I don't really need to do the other like edge, just the ones that are touching kind of like the outside area, if you understand what I mean. And honestly, we're almost done. I know this video is taking a little bit longer than I anticipated, if I am being completely honest. And now, for the final touches, we are going to add some, let's just use this one, topiary bushes on here, and then here, just like around the kind of corners. Then here and here as well. And then I am going to also put down a rug, which is here, this one, the mat essentially. And I'm just going to color it to match the fountain. And I'm gonna put like one here, or maybe like a little bit more to the back, like here. then 2, and then 3. And again, I'm going to do it to all corners. Again, I'll be right back. Okay, I changed the flowers a bit so it is more cohesive, but obviously you don't need to. You can add all of your flowers here so that you can crossbreed them, but still have your garden looking pretty. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!